Hello and welcome back everyone to our another episode of Java programming with data structures and algorithms. So in our last episode we saw our architecture of Java, and now in this episode we are going to discuss what are the software that we are going to need for the installation of Java so that we can do Java programming. So two things are mandatory here. First we need Java Development Kit JDK, which will consist of each and everything, and the second thing we need is IDE. Two things. What is JDK and all this part we have already discussed in our last episode, so please refer the last video. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Development Kit. And in this case, we have got Integrated Development Environment. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So environment. JDK and IDE, correct? So first I will go to my browser, and here say I'm going to ask for JDK. So I'm going for install JDK. Very first URL that you are going to get will be from Oracle itself. Open it. Oracle is the parent company. It's taking some time. Okay, it's taking some time. Let's open another browser. JDK downloads. There I'm going for directly JDK. By default, the Java 24 is the latest release of Java IC platform. You can see here. So I will go for the 24 and Windows. Since I'm working on Windows, if you are working on Linux or Mac OS, you can take the version from here. I will go and check. So I will install it. I'm directly going for installer so that we can directly do the install. I'm working on 64-bit operating system. So I'm doing the same. It will do the installation of Java. Here you see JDK is being installed. Second thing we need is IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and IDE is used to write the programs, edit the programs, or you can simply say manage the entire life cycle of the programs. So lots of IDEs are available. We are going to use one of the most popular IntelliJ IDE. IntelliJ IDE. This is what we are going to use. So since it is installed, let's open it out. JDK 24. Yeah. It is asking for twice. I'll go for installation. Next. And it is going to ensure that my JDK would be installed, right? Meanwhile, it is being installed. So let's go for our IntelliJ IDE download. It is owned by JetBrains. So you go there. For IntelliJ also, what you are going to see, two flavors are there. First one is Ultimate Edition, leading for IDE for professional development using Java and Kotlin. It's free for 30 days trial. But if you scroll down, here we have got IntelliJ IDE Community Edition, the IDE for Java and Kotlin enthusiasts here. It is a free built-in open source, so we can directly use it anyway. I will go directly for the exe file for the Windows, and it is being installed. Meanwhile, let's check our Java where it is. So Java, here you can see here development kit JDK has been successfully installed. I'll go for close. Let's open the command prompt, and I will check whether Java is successfully installed on my computer or not. Java version. Java version is 24.0.2. and you see it is installed here, the latest one we have installed, and it's working on 64-bit operating server, so it's fine. Our IntelliJ IDEA is being installed, so let's wait for it. We will finish the installation in this part. So that one thing you must keep in your mind, IDE is very important for the development. IDE helps us to write the programs, edit the programs, or in simple manner you can say it helps you to manage the entire life cycle of the program. That's the thing here, right? Okay, it's still being installed. Half of it has been installed. Totally depends on your internet, how much it is. Based on that, it is going to install automatically. Okay, so it is being installed. Let's wait for it. Yeah, it is going to finish the installation, you see here, right? So it has done the installation, and so I'll directly open it. Okay, let me open the file. I got the IntelliJ IDEA. I'm opening. It's a big file, so it is going to take some time to open, you see here. So please wait while setup is being done. Yes, I will allow. And there is the one. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Go for the next. It will ask for the destination folder. Let it be. Next. Next thing what it is saying create a desktop shortcut for what part? You see, a update path variable restart needed. Do we need for IntelliJ IDEA create desktop shortcut? Yes, I will update it. Then it is saying create association. Okay, I want .java. Rest everything I don't need right now. I'll go for next. Okay, no need for it. Go for the installation. And we will finish the installation part of our IntelliJ IDE. Hmm. So here it is doing the installation and it's done. Finish. Next. So let's open it and check. I got the IntelliJ idea. Open this one and you see here, continue. I will not save. And we have finally opened our projects. Correct? If you go and create a new one, you can create all those projects and start doing the implementation. Correct? So we have got our things installed here properly. We have got all our JDK and IDE installed. So from the next episode, we will start writing our Java programs. So thank you very much for subscribing. We will continue from the next part.